And time stands still. When you are in my arms, it always will. And life is changing times. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the album Equals by Ed Sheeran. So we're gonna go through all the songs on the album, all 14 tracks, and I'm gonna teach you how to play them for the beginner, intermediate, and advanced player. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning. Your strings should sound like this. Alright, once you have that out of the way, let's jump into first track, which is Tides. Alright, so we're gonna have our capo. It's originally composed in B flat, but that's not a basic chord, so we're gonna play it in with our capo on fret number 4 in G. Alright, so the chords are open, 3, 2, open, 1, open, that's C, and then G is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And then we have a D somewhere along the way, which is open, 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 2, 3, 2. Right, so starting right from the top, your intro is C to G, so that's gonna be 4, 2, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So C 8 times and then G 8 times, and then you get into the verse, which is C, and then you switch to D. So now it's G 4 times and then D 4 times. That's your verse. And my strumming pattern is basically for the intro, it's down, 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 and then as we go on, it changes to, which is down, up, 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 down, up. Alright, it's just down, up, alternating. Let's go on. We're still in the verse. Get into the chorus, which is just C, C to G, C again, G, and then this is now the third time, C, D, and then we're back to C, and this time we're playing C like 16 times. And then we get into the next verse. Which is pretty much the same as the first time. So this time I'm going to show you how to play it for the intermediate. Which is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. And that's C, G, and then D. And then we get into C, you can plug 5, 4, 3, 2, and then for G you can plug 6, 4, 3, 2, and then for D 4, 3, 2, 1. That's intermediate and advanced. So time stands still. So the second time we're playing A minor instead of C. So that's A minor 16 times. G. Okay, and then you get into the chorus again. And instead of G, you can play E minor like this. E minor to D. Tides. guess that's the whole song. That's a pretty easy